inside the Anderson shelter recording, and you can see what the inside of an Anderson shelter in the wartime looked like. I'm sat on one of the benches, and I'm sat next to a suspended rack, which would have been the bed that the children would have slept on for wartime air raids in the evening. So here to recreate the experience, they've introduced a lot of special sound effects which are very authentic from World War II, and they even have the experience of what it's like being inside an Anderson shelter doing an air raid. So now in the background, I'm recording this spatial audio. I hope we can get that working when the video is posted. You can hear the sound of bombers overhead, and you'll be able to hear the sound of bombs dropping. It must have been really quite a frightening experience. You might be able to see from the construction of the Anderson shelter that it's basically made of corrugated sheets, and people would cover these corrugated sheets with earth to add a bit of extra protection and also soundproofing. And now we hear the sounds of bombs dropping, and although I'm too old to remember the war, I do remember my grandparents telling me about times in Lincolnshire where, although they weren't affected by the bombing directly in Lincolnshire, apart from the many aircraft who were based at RAF stations around Lincolnshire, they would take their share of bombing, but rural towns and rural locations were the kind of places that children were evacuated to keep them away from harm during the war. So the kind of sounds that you're hearing now of bombs falling will be more typical of what you would hear in places like London and Coventry and the big cities that were targets of the German bombing during World War II. So this again is just one of the many really immersive experiences that you can enjoy in a hands-on way here at the Milton Keynes Museum.